Keeping your Android phone safe from harmful or virus apps is very important, and Google Play Protect is one of the easiest built-in tools to help you do that. It regularly checks your apps and warns you if anything suspicious is found. Opening the Google Play Store menu. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will open a menu with several account and security options. From the list, tap on Play Protect. This section is designed to monitor your apps and device for harmful behavior. After entering Play Protect, you will see a scan status page. Now, look again at the top right corner and tap the Settings or gear icon. Inside the Settings menu, you will find an option called Scan Apps with Play Protect. If it is turned off, simply toggle the switch to the ON position. Once enabled, Play Protect will automatically scan your apps regularly, both during installation and after they are installed. After turning it on, you can go back and tap Scan to manually check your device anytime for extra safety. This helps detect potentially harmful apps early and keeps your phone secure from malware or fake applications. Now your Android device is protected, and Play Protect will continuously work in the background to keep your data safe and your phone running smoothly.